Most of you guys create images using AI tools, and today almost every AI image comes with some kind of watermark, like Gemini or others. In this video, I will show you how to remove any watermark from an image without affecting image quality. So let's get started. First of all, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. Once the image is opened, go to the left side toolbar. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Now carefully make a selection around the watermark. Make sure the watermark area is fully covered. After selecting the watermark, go to the top menu. Click on Select. From the drop-down, choose Color Range. A pop-up window will open. Now click on the second eyedropper tool inside that pop-up, and pick the color directly from the watermark area. Once the watermark color is selected, click. OK, now again, go to Select from the top menu. Click on Modify and then select Expand. A small pop-up will appear. Simply click OK without changing anything. This helps Photoshop cover the watermark edges properly. Next, go to the left side toolbar. Select the Remove tool. Now gently brush over the watermark area. Just like this. Once you release the mouse, press Ctrl+D, Photoshop will automatically remove the watermark and blend the background naturally. As you can see, the watermark is completely gone, and the image quality remains the same. No blur, no damage, no visible edits. Using this method, you can remove any watermark from images, whether it's Gemini or any other AI tool watermark. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.